scroll. Pause for a moment. Most of us ask Allah to remove the pain from our lives. We think pain means punishment or abandonment. But what if the pain is not here to destroy you? What if it's here to rebuild you? A surgeon doesn't heal without an incision. He cuts to remove what would harm you. So, what you're feeling right now, this heaviness, this confusion, this loss, it's not your end. It's the beginning of something new inside you. You are not falling apart. You are being rebuilt. The world looks at your scars and calls them damage, but Allah sees them as signs of protection. Not every person who left was a loss. Not every closed door was rejection. Some endings were mercy, even if they hurt, because sometimes Allah removes what you wanted to protect you from what you couldn't see. Healing is not about erasing your past. It is about understanding it and realizing you were never abandoned. You were being guided. In the Quran, Allah says, Allah knows what is within yourselves. He knows what you are attached to, what you depend on, what you refuse to let go of. So, when something is taken away, it is not just your life changing outside. It is your heart being purified inside, because real healing doesn't start outside. It starts within. Sometimes the thing you are crying over was never meant to stay in your future, and the version of you that depended on it could not survive where you are going next. So Allah removes it, slowly, quietly, not to punish you, but to prepare you. You call it loss. He calls it protection. You don't yet understand. So stop trying to rebuild your old life. That chapter is already closed. Let Allah rebuild you properly this time. Let Him remove what weakens you and strengthen what remains, because healing doesn't mean the pain disappears. It means the pain no longer controls you. And when you finally surrender, you realize something deeper. You were never breaking. You were being shaped. If this resonates with you, stay patient with the process. Comment, "Yeah, Shafi, I trust you," and send this to someone who feels like they are losing themselves. Maybe this is not loss. Maybe this is reconstruction. Stay blessed always.